This 2024 Grand Design Solitude 417 kilobytes is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, TV, LP detector, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, skylight, water heater, air conditioning, smoke detector, refrigerator, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bath, rear dinette, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Solitude 417 kilobytes is 15,494 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.